Merry Christmas everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This video is going to be primarily about me, Luigi, and somebody else that you're going to see in the video. We're going to show you what we're going to do in our Christmas special, and I hope you enjoy it. Christmas is coming, and I really like Christmas. Christmas is probably my favorite holiday of Halloween and Easter, I'm going to be doing specials throughout the year, and I hope you really enjoyed them. So far I have 700 views, nearing 800. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm just gonna get prepared, and I really hope you enjoy it. Hi everybody, I'm back, and our new member is...
Hi, my name is Waluigi.
Yes, it's Waluigi. I recently got Waluigi yesterday, and I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, my name is Waluigi, and yeah.
And Luigi!
Yeah?
Meet Waluigi.
Waluigi? Hi, my name is Waluigi. Is your name Luigi?
Okay, forget it, guys. Let's get on with the video. So really, our Christmas special is going to be on, I think that December the 11th we're gonna start filming, and I think it's gonna be released on December 14th. So yes, Luigi, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, our Christmas special is going to be released on December 14th, like Mario said, and we're thinking of having a Christmas contest like Super Dent Bros did it, and yeah. Waluigi? Yeah. I'm an owl, and as you know, I really like Christmas, and yeah, I really like Christmas, and but I like Halloween because I like stealing stuff.
So, yes, we really like Christmas, and our Christmas special is going to be at least 10 minutes long. So, really, in this video, we're just going to talk about that, and then we're going to be finished. Right, Luigi?
Right.
Right, Waluigi?
Right.
Oh, really, as you can see this over here, if you press this button right over there, something's gonna happen, and I'm gonna show you right now.
Yeah, have a Merry Christmas to you too. That's pretty funny. We're gonna keep that for our Christmas special, and yep, we're not gonna spoil.
That's really cool, Luigi. Do you have anything to say for that, Waluigi?
No, I'm just an elf and I don't know a lot about Christmas.
Oh, right. And as you can see, we have also this globe right here, and there's actually something pretty cool about it. So if you turn it like this, and then turn it back around, look at this. It's snowing. Yeah, that's really cool. We buy it in Dollarama. I think it's at least $1. You can buy it as well. Oh, and before this video is over, Waluigi wants to show us one of his steals he did on Christmas.
Oh yeah, it's a really cool steal.
Oh, here we go again.
Oh, right. It's Christmas Eve. I hope Santa gave the Wii U I wanted from last Christmas. Let's see if he gave me the Wii U. Oh no! What are you doing here? Ah!
So yeah, that was a bit censored, right, Waluigi?
Oh yeah, that was a bit censored.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're a Waluigi fan, please sub to our channel. Our channel is right on the top left corner. Feel free to see it. Yes, that's the end of the video.
Oh no, Wario, I'm late. I'm late for my exam.
Well, bye, Waluigi.
Oh, bye.
Oh, I think I best get going too, Mario.
Go ahead. Bye. Whew. Mario?
Yes?
Did you see Waluigi anywhere?
No?
Okay, because... whatever. Bye.
Bye, Toad! Well, Merry Christmas, everybody! Ha ha ha!